Bonus reading for August the 16th to August the 17th. Earth signs. Your cards are the Two of Cups, the Nine of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. All our cups is, parang yung emotion natin dito isasaya, no? Especially with the Nine of Cups. This is a wish fulfillment. When it comes to the finances, pwede nating sabihin na makakakita tayo ng new way, new path para ma-achieve natin kung ano man itong gusto nating right amount of right numbers, no, sa ating bank account. Meron din pwedeng tumulong sa atin, no, na ma-achieve ito. May mga pagkakataon din siguro na pinupush na tayo ng ating damdamin na to go to that path, pero siguro sinasabi natin sa sarili natin, ay parang kinakabahan ako. Ito yung universe na nagsasabi sa iyo, huwag kang kabahan, you need to brave yourself and step, no, into that path, and parang you are being guided towards that success. When it comes to the career, something is going to open. It's an opportunity where pwedeng hindi mo gusto at first, pero bigla mong masasabi, ito pala yung career na para sa akin. Ito pala yung career na nagwe-wait, no, for me to achieve my goal in life. Magkaroon ako ng pangalan, magkaroon ako ng pride. I need, or parang value, no, added to my name. When it comes to romance, I feel like someone is really loving you from afar, which I feel like aamin na rin ito. Mag-a-approach, sasabihin na mahal kita. This can also be for an LGBTQIA+ relationship. The Queen of Cups is clarified by the Emperor and the Ten of Cups. Narito yung structure, nandito yung parang sabi nating stability, nandito din yung pagbuo ng family, kung LGBTQIA+, ito yung siguro yung sinasabi natin, yeah, it can also be family, no? Whether, alam niyo yung, ano yun? New family ba yon? I feel like yung mga series from other countries, yung mag-a-adopt, no? Or it can also be a pet. It doesn't matter. Something to have and to hold, no? With the Two of Cups, parang ito din yung our heart is gonna be at ease dahil achieved na natin yung saya. So this is your reading, or bonus reading rather, Earth signs for August the 16th to August the 17th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls